guys, today we are going to show you guys some funny moments that our pet cat does. So let's go in and see. So this dress made for Adoo was made by my brother and my mother.
Why is he so grumpy all the time?
I don't know. I think we need a hole for the tail, but we worked this 2 hours for this, so we are not making it because it took a long time, right?
Yeah, so is he sleeping?
Actually, let me look. He's angry because I don't know.
Hey, mister, can you look into the camera?
I don't think so. He's so angry because he got the dress very grumpy.
Mister, can I get a photo?
Mr. Grumpy, can I?
Mr. Grumpy, can I get a photo?
So
What does he like to do?
him, Adoo?
Yeah.
Rumor. I'm not room, or he will be a cow. I don't know. He likes to play with us or walk. Eat the pigeons, eat chickens.
He doesn't eat pigeon. He never ate one.
Oh yeah, I forgot. But he loves to catch pigeons.
He never caught one.
He's trying to catch, but there's a cage. That's why he cannot go in. Right, Mr. Grumpy Adoo?
Now you look to the camera, huh? Now you look to the camera. What happened? What took you so long to look to the camera?